What's up, guys? Welcome to Poor Man Mods. Today I'm gonna be putting fuck on my IS300. The factory taillights are just completely gone to crap on this car. So I ordered the cheapest LED taillights off the interwebs, and I'm pretty skeptical on it, so I figured I'd do a video on installing them and reviewing them for you. So let's get these old ones off and the new ones in. Install is going to be super simple, but I just want to review the quality for you guys because I'm sure a lot of you might be interested in that. But first I'm going to show you how these are broken. So about a week ago, this taillight bulb went out, so I replaced the bulb. And when I was putting the taillights back in, both of them, for whatever reason, they stick out past the fender up here, like a 1/4 of an inch. And so it was sticking out, and I went, why is it sticking out? And I did that and cracked the whole taillight. So they need replaced. Bastards.
Oh, nice. Oh, now they're back to being Altezza lights.
Disaster Piece Garage approved.
Can't have a cracked housing if you don't have a housing. I guess lens.
Oh, yeah. There's part of it. So
This is still a housing.
Yeah.
Just a busted ass broken one. I like it.
Alright, Chaz is gonna punch the taillight. Try not to hit the metal. I don't need any more dents in this car.
No, I don't want to cut my hand open.
Like, it took no force at all.
That was a test! I didn't expect it to go through.
Yeah, I think it was due. Okay, so it's just 2 Phillips head screws or 10mm bolts holding the taillight in. And the new taillights are LED, so we only need to keep the reverse light. Might need the turn signal, but this bulb can come out. And this is the bulb that I literally just replaced. Okay, here are the new Spyder LED taillights. The taillight and brake light is LED, and it uses the factory reverse light and turn signal. So, peel these out of here. Plug it in, and if this doesn't work, then you probably just have to unplug it and rotate this plug 180 degrees. And hopefully they have resistors wired in here. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. If there aren't resistors and you just go to an LED taillight bulb in this car, it'll tell you on the dash that you have a light out. So hopefully they got this right. Actually, one of my tabs broke off right there, so we're gonna have to get some needle nose pliers and pull that broken tab out of there. Got it with a screw extractor, baby. Alright, let's line this baby up and get it installed, and hopefully it doesn't stick out like the other one did. Yeah, just don't Hulk smash it.
Good. Technicality.
Oh, they do fit? No!
Look, but don't touch.
Like, I pulled one of these. Like, I have it.
Still sticks out a smidge.
Well,
I think I need to put washers here, because when I fully tighten it, it poked out a little, but it's still better. Got the taillights installed. Now we're going to install these trunk lights that also come with the kit to match. I'm not sure how I feel about these. Alright, pretty easy to remove these. It's just one 10mm nut that holds it on. I guess you gotta unplug it. Could just punch it. Yeah. And you have to unplug this.
boxes are small.
All right, let's put it in.
This is like super metallic, like it's really really shiny and glittery, and that's just for like yeah, that's eyeshadow. This is for when I put concealer on. I'll give you a makeup lesson.
No. Oh well.
Because sometimes I don't. Well, I need to do it also because I have a gift card also and also sells
Are you
this.
doing this because it's sponsored?
All right, so we have the new taillights in the car. We're gonna do a side-by-side comparison. I do like them, but I don't love them. I don't hate them. I'm not a huge fan of the Spyder design in the lights. They look okay though, I guess. So we're gonna compare the brightness and see how they look. So Moser, turn on just the headlights real quick. All right, they look okay. I think the taillight might be more noticeable, but I'm concerned with the brake light. Go ahead and hit the brakes. Do it off and on a couple times. So I did a video a couple months ago on finding a good set of LED taillights and brake lights, and this car has the issue where it adjusts the voltage for the brake light instead of having more LEDs that light up. So the difference in brightness isn't all that great, so it's not super noticeable like on the driver's side. Go ahead and hit it again, so you can definitely see the driver's side light up more because there's a whole other filament lighting up. So I'm not loving these, but I guess they do look okay. We're gonna go ahead and finish the other side. All right, so both taillights and trunk lights are installed, and I'm gonna do a little shameless self-plug here for the LED lights that I make.
A selfie plug?
Shameless self-plug.
So you're taking a selfie?
Yeah.
Shameless self-plug.
What are we plugging you?
I'm advertising for myself.
Is it going in your butt?
Yeah, what are we plugging you with?
Plug as in advertising.
You should say plug and not peg, because then I'll be concerned.
I make plug-and-play LED trunk lights for the IS300. As you can see, it's an LED strip that goes all the way across the trunk. You can get it in white or color-changing RGB. Plugs right in, just like the factory bulb.
Why's it gotta be white?
That's racist.
It can be red, green, blue, or yellow, or orange, or purple if you want.
What about black?
Yeah.
You can't have a black light. Black is absence of light.
But then how do they sell black lights?
That's
Yeah.
They call it black lights, but it's ultraviolet light, so it's actually purple. So if you want one of these, shoot me a message, or I'll have a link in the description to these lights. Lights up the trunk super bright and even, and it's freaking awesome. Okay, so we got the Spyder LED taillights and trunk lights installed. They are better than the factory ones, at least the ones I had on this car. They don't stick out as bad. For some reason, the other ones stuck out. I guess it's because those tabs were broken off. But one thing I don't like is the difference between the taillight and the brake light. I did a video with my Supra and the LED bulbs talking about this, but basically they use a voltage regulator on here rather than different LED lights that light up. So the difference isn't as noticeable as the incandescent light, which I'm not a big fan of. I'm okay with the way they look. I'm not a huge fan of the Spyder design, but I guess it's okay. I don't hate them, but I needed a set of taillights, so that's why I got them. So we'll see if they leak. I'll drive it around for a little bit and let you guys know if they leak. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have a link in the description for these if you want them, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.